Hello, welcome to Brian360 and welcome to the second video of Caribbean Cooking with Jacky and Friends. In the first video, Jacky taught us how to make journey cakes or Johnny cakes. In this video, she teaches us how to make saltfish stew, fried plantain, and passion fruit juice. In the first video, I have a longer introduction and didn't want to repeat it all here, but here's a short part of that video as Jacky introduces us to her home. She taught us how to make those journey cakes, plus a lot more.
You guys are here today because I just love cooking and I open up my house to you guys so you can cook and I can teach you how to make journey cakes. So I normally use this for cooking instead of the bell peppers. Okay. So much more flavor.
And you can freeze them.
Oh yes. Oh yes. That's why if you don't freeze them, they're going to spoil really fast.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think I have enough to last me until the end of the year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, maybe, because I cook so much.
I wish I could chop like that. Need more practice.
Nicole, what are you doing? You're not teaching him how to chop?
He knows how to chop. It just takes him a little bit longer, that's all.
I just use this as I did not learn to do it. I looked at them and I was like, what do they do? And I just decided to hold this end and just lift this up. And then just go like this. And then, oh, I can do it. So I didn't have to, I call it YouTube school. YouTube school of everything.
Oh, yes.
Man, if you want to learn something, just go to YouTube school.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
So you do seeds and all, or do they not have seeds?
They have seeds.
Okay.
Yeah, I do everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes I do take the seeds, other times I don't, but the seeds are fine. And you can put as much as you want, okay? There's no limit to say, no, that's too much. No. Okay. It's a seasoning and yeah, it's fine.
But measure correctly. Or not.
No measure. No measure. No measure.
It's like when my mom was teaching me to cook and she doesn't measure anything. She's like, oh, you just have to look and see if it looks right or if it smells right or if it tastes right. And when you first learn to cook, it's like, but I don't know.
Caribbean people tell you when you hear your ancestors say that's enough, then you stop.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I can also chop it as small, but it doesn't matter. You can also chop it like this. Some say, oh, you're going to cut your hand. No, I grew up doing this.
Yes, yeah.
You know, from small, my mom, she raised us as a single parent because her husband had to, you know, most people in the Caribbean, they migrated to another country. Mm-hmm. So he went to England. So she raised us basically by herself. So we learned to do everything. Everything. I mean, everything. I plant. I can fix my tire.
Oh, wow. Good
yes.
for you.
Yeah. So we didn't have chopping boards in those days, you know, so we did everything on hand. And it's like, no, you're going to cut yourself. No, we don't cut ourselves in the kitchen. You have to edit, right, Brian?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So some people have a garlic crusher. I have a garlic grater. Same effect. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you used what, 4 cloves there?
Huh?
You used 4 cloves of garlic?
Yes, 4 cloves of garlic. Yes. Definitely. I love my palm oil. You guys heard of palm oil?
No.
Yeah. Palm oil is from the palm
Oh, okay.
Palm nut.
What was the other oil that you used?
It's
Was that
vegetable oil.
Okay.
Yes. I prefer to use the palm oil. I just forgot, so I ended up putting the vegetable oil. But I prefer palm oil.
I'm not familiar with palm oil at all.
Yeah.
Oh. And it's red?
Yeah, the nut is red.
Red. Okay.
Yes.
That's how you get the color in the saltfish from.
Some people use curry. Let me get this. Some people use curry. Some people use yeah, normally ketchup. Some people use ketchup. I don't.
Okay.
You guys fine with cayenne pepper?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay, so this is good.
So you always boil it twice?
If I had it soaking last night, I would not have boiled it twice. But I got it late, so I want to make sure that enough of the salt is out.
Okay.
So
if you soak it overnight, you only boil it once?
once, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Mom, I didn't have to make saltfish first back home.
Yeah.
Huh?
She's gonna have to make saltfish first back home.
She should.
Yes.
You definitely will get it in Canada. What I do, I to make sure that everything is out, I would take a piece of the thicker part and try it, and then you know that the majority of the salt is out.
Okay.
So.
Oh, it smells good already.
So what I'm doing, I'm just like crushing the saltfish. I should have taken out the water.
So you would put curry powder in this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And it's I love curry, so I put curry in everything.
Okay.
So yeah, so I would put curry. My three main ingredients is the curry, cayenne pepper, and fresh seasonings.
Okay.
Yeah. I have a little bit salt, so that's why I have to crush it in the water. Alright, so we're gonna put this in here. Oops. I didn't make that, she made it.
So the fish is already cooked?
It's already cooked. Yes.
Okay.
It's already
So you're just really seasoning it and heating it up?
Yeah, do a little stir fry.
Yeah.
So that all the fresh ingredients can absorb into it. And it's basically, that's it. Yeah.
Oh, wow. So it's really fast. Yeah.
Yes. You said that again.
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine.
Yeah.
Oh,
Huh?
She's enjoying your saltfish.
Wonderful.
And she's not my Western yet. That's a very high compliment, Jacky.
Got away, girl.
You're stealing my dog.
You should be clean. I'm cool.
That one's just gonna come right out.
What was Remember like last time we were here from Grandma Grandpa's yard? I tried something new.
Stewed guava?
Guava.
Best juice ever, Brian.
Okay.
Best juice
Want to
ever.
make it yourself is better too.
Yes. For sure. I have a very heavy duty blender. If you put yourself inside, it's going to chop you like this. Yes, it's really powerful blender. There you have it. That's passion fruit juice for you.
All right.
Yeah, and then you add your sugar. I have to strain it a little more, but just to give you an idea. Where's the sugar? Where's the sugar?
It's over there.
Yeah. Best juice ever, organic, naturally, locally grown, and no preservatives added.
Okay.
Best, most refreshing drink after lemonade.
All right. Okay. Time for the taste test.
Taste test, passion fruit juice. That's it.
Thank you.
Oh, that's good. You can kind of get like hints of mango and guava.
Mango.
Yeah, all natural.
No, mango.
There we have our Caribbean feast. Fried plantain, salad, saltfish, and journey cakes. And it tasted even better than it looks in this picture. Thank you once again to Jacky, our host, for welcoming us into her home, showing us how to cook, feeding us, sending us home with leftovers. She wouldn't even let us do the dishes. What an incredible person, Jacky. Thank you so much. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, sign up for notifications, and watch out for more St. Martin videos that I'll be posting in the coming weeks. Thank you again, and take care.